What are the four main factors that a solutions architect should consider when they must choose a region? A. Latency, taxes, speed, and compliance. B. Latency, price, service availability, and compliance. C. Latency, high availability, taxes, and compliance. D. Latency, security, high availability, and resiliency. The correct answer is B. Latency, price, service availability, and compliance. When a solutions architect is choosing a region, they must consider four main factors: latency, price, service availability, and compliance. Latency is the amount of time it takes for data to travel between 2 points. This is important to consider when choosing a region, as it will affect the speed of the application. Price is also an important factor to consider when choosing a region. Different regions may have different pricing structures, so it is important to compare the costs of different regions before making a decision. Service availability is also an important factor to consider when choosing a region. Different regions may have different levels of service availability, so it is important to make sure that the region chosen has the services needed for the application. Finally, compliance is an important factor to consider when choosing a region. Different regions may have different compliance requirements, so it is important to make sure that the region chosen meets the necessary compliance requirements. An example of such compliance may be that your application must be hosted in your country for regulatory reasons. So you need to choose a region within your country. The incorrect answers are not correct because they do not include all of the necessary factors that a solutions architect should consider when choosing a region. A does not include service availability, C does not include price, and D does not include taxes.